Mudskippers, these creatures defy expectations. They're fish, yes, but they spend most of their time out of water. They thrive in the intertidal zones, those muddy battlegrounds between land and sea. These amphibious adventurers can grow up to 30 centimeters long. That's bigger than your average goldfish. They're a common sight in mangroves and mudflats across the tropics. But what makes them truly remarkable is their ability to breathe air. Their secret, specialized skin in the lining of their mouths. These adaptations allow them to absorb oxygen directly from the air. It's like having built-in scuba gear. This means they can survive out of water for hours on end. Talk about making the most of a tidal situation. Now you might be thinking, fish out of water? That's just sad. But mudskippers aren't your average fish. They don't flounder around helplessly. Oh no, these guys are built for land exploration. Their pectoral fins have evolved into powerful limbs. They use them to walk across the mudflats with surprising agility. And if they need to make a quick getaway, they can even leap impressive distances. We're talking up to 2 meters in a single bound. That's like a human jumping over a car. These little daredevils navigate their muddy kingdoms with a swagger that would make a parkour enthusiast jealous. Forget swimming, these fish are built to conquer the land. So what fuels these amphibious adventurers? Mudskippers are opportunistic feeders, always on the lookout for a tasty treat. Their diet consists mainly of insects, algae, and small crustaceans. Think of them as the ultimate mudflat foodies. Their secret weapon? Exceptional eyesight. Those bulging eyes aren't just for show. They provide a panoramic view of their surroundings, allowing them to spot prey from afar. When a tasty morsel comes within range, they strike with lightning speed, snatching it up with their surprisingly strong jaws. Don't let their goofy appearance fool you. These guys are skilled hunters, perfectly adapted to their muddy buffet. Mudskippers are living proof that evolution is a master of innovation. These fascinating creatures have adapted in ways that seem almost magical, bridging the gap between aquatic and terrestrial life. Over millions of years, these fish have undergone remarkable transformations to thrive in their challenging environment. From their humble beginnings in the water, mudskippers have evolved to become one of the most versatile species on the planet. Talk about a serious glow-up. Their journey from water to land is nothing short of extraordinary, showcasing nature's ability to innovate and adapt. Their pectoral fins, for example, have evolved to resemble primitive limbs. These fins are not just for show, they function almost like legs, allowing mudskippers to navigate the muddy terrain with surprising agility. This allows them to walk and even skip across land with surprising ease. Imagine a fish that can not only swim but also stroll along the shorelines exploring new territories. It's like they've been hitting the gym, while other fish have been content with their underwater yoga routines. And their skin? It's a marvel of evolutionary engineering. It's not just waterproof, it's air-breathing. This unique adaptation allows them to absorb oxygen directly from the air, making them true amphibious creatures. This incredible adaptation allows them to stay out of water for extended periods, exploring the mudflats to their heart's content. They can hunt, socialize, and even engage in territorial disputes, all while out of the water. Mudskippers are a testament to the power of adaptation, proving that with a little ingenuity, life can conquer even the most unlikely of environments. Their story is a fascinating chapter in the book of evolution, reminding us of the endless possibilities that nature holds. Section 5, More Than Meets the Eye. Mudskippers' Sensory Adaptations. Mudskippers don't just look unique, they experience the world in a unique way too. These fascinating creatures have evolved to thrive in both aquatic and terrestrial environments, making them one of nature's most versatile animals. Take their eyes, for instance. Unlike most fish, mudskippers have eyes that are adapted to see both underwater and on land. Those bulging peepers aren't just for show. They are a marvel of evolutionary engineering. They're highly specialized for both underwater and terrestrial vision. This dual capability allows them to hunt for food and avoid predators in both environments. On land, their eyes protrude from their heads, giving them a panoramic view of their surroundings. This wide field of vision is crucial for spotting potential threats and opportunities. This allows them to spot predators and prey with ease. Whether it's a bird swooping down or a tasty insect crawling by, mudskippers are always on the lookout. And when they dive back into the water, their eyes adapt seamlessly. Their eyes retract into special water-filled sockets, keeping them moist and protected. This adaptation is essential for their survival in the harsh, fluctuating environments they call home. Talk about having the best of both worlds. Mudskippers truly embody the spirit of adaptability. But that's not all. Their sensory adaptations go beyond just their remarkable vision. Mudskippers have also developed a keen sense of smell, which is vital for their survival. They use this acute sense to navigate their muddy homes and locate food. The mudflats can be a challenging place to find sustenance, but mudskippers are well equipped for the task. They're like the master sommeliers of the mudflat world, sniffing out the best algae and crustaceans. Their sense of smell is so refined that they can detect the slightest hint of food in the dense mud. Sniffing out the best algae and crustaceans, they ensure they get the nutrients they need to thrive. Mudskippers are truly a testament to the wonders of evolution, showcasing how life can adapt to even the most challenging environments. Most fish have a simple motto: just keep swimming, just keep swimming. But mudskippers? They prefer to mix things up. These amphibious oddballs have mastered the art of breathing in 3 different environments: air, land, and water. Underwater, they breathe like any other fish, using their gills to extract oxygen from the water. But when they venture onto land, things get interesting. Mudskippers have developed the ability to absorb oxygen through their skin and the lining of their mouths. It's like having a backup breathing system, just in case they forget their scuba gear. This remarkable adaptation allows them to stay out of water for extended periods, exploring the mudflats to their heart's content. Talk about being prepared. Mudskippers aren't just adapted for survival, they're built for it. These fascinating creatures have evolved in ways that make them uniquely suited to their challenging environments. From their physical features to their behaviors, everything about them screams resilience and adaptability. Their bodies are a testament to the power of evolution, showcasing a suite of features perfectly suited for their muddy lifestyle. Their elongated bodies and specialized fins are just the beginning of their incredible adaptations. Take their pectoral fins, for example. These fins are not just ordinary appendages, they are multifunctional tools that allow mudskippers to perform a variety of tasks that other fish can only dream of. These powerful limbs aren't just for show. They are packed with muscles, allowing mudskippers to walk, skip, and even climb with surprising agility. Imagine a fish that can not only swim, but also navigate the land with ease. They're packed with muscles, allowing mudskippers to walk, skip, and even climb with surprising agility. This unique ability to move on land gives them a significant advantage in their habitat, enabling them to escape predators and search for food in places other fish can't reach. It's like they've been hitting the gym while other fish have been content with their underwater yoga routines. And their skin? It's another marvel of nature's engineering. It's not just waterproof, it's tough. Their skin is designed to withstand the harsh conditions of their environment, providing a robust barrier against the elements. Covered in scales and a special mucus layer, it protects them from abrasions and dehydration as they navigate their rough-and-tumble environment. This mucus layer also helps them retain moisture, which is crucial for their survival on land. Mudskippers are proof that you don't need to be big and strong to thrive, you just need to be built for the challenges of your world. Their unique adaptations make them one of the most fascinating examples of evolutionary ingenuity, showing us that sometimes the most unlikely creatures can be the most extraordinary survivors. Let's be honest, mudskippers aren't winning any beauty contests. With their bulging eyes, awkward gait, and penchant for mud, they're definitely an acquired taste, but that's part of what makes them so endearing. Those googly eyes, for example, might seem a bit comical. But they're actually a testament to these creatures' remarkable adaptations. They provide exceptional vision both above and below water, allowing mudskippers to navigate their world with ease. And their walking style? Sure, it's a bit ungainly, but it's effective. Those powerful pectoral fins propel them across the mudflats with surprising speed and agility. Mudskippers might not be conventionally attractive, but their quirky charm and remarkable adaptations make them truly fascinating creatures. Mangroves and mudflats might not seem like the most hospitable of environments. They're muddy, smelly, and subject to the whims of the tide. But for mudskippers, they're home sweet home. These amphibious oddballs have carved out a unique niche in these challenging ecosystems. They're perfectly adapted to life between the tides, spending their days foraging for food, building burrows, and defending their territories. Mangroves and mudflats are vital ecosystems, providing nurseries for countless marine species and protecting coastlines from erosion. And mudskippers are an integral part of these ecosystems, playing a vital role in nutrient cycling and keeping insect populations in check. They might be small, but these muddy marvels are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth.